Hey everyone! Welcome back to Linguachat, the channel where you learn real, natural English to sound more confident and fluent. Today, I'm diving into common phrasal verbs with come that you'll hear all the time in native English. These will help you in conversations, at work, or when chatting with friends. Let's get started. First up, come across. This means to find something or meet someone by chance. You weren't looking for it, it just happened. For example, I came across an old diary in the attic, or we came across a lovely little cafe on our walk, or even I came across my old college professor at the bookstore yesterday. We use come across when something surprises us, like when you discover something unexpectedly. It can be an object, a place, or even a person. Next, come up with. This means to think of or create an idea, plan, or solution. She came up with a brilliant idea for the project. Or can you come up with a better title for the article? Together, we came up with a plan to surprise our manager. This one's really useful when you're talking about brainstorming, being creative, or solving a problem. Now, come out. This means to be published, revealed, or made public. The truth finally came out. Her new book came out last month. She came out with what really happened that night. We use come out for things that become known to people, like news, books, or secrets. Next, come over. This means to visit someone's home or place. Why don't you come over this evening? My friends came over for dinner yesterday. He came over to help me move furniture. This is common in friendly, casual invitations or to describe someone visiting. Now, come along. This means to join someone or go somewhere together. I'm going to the park. Want to come along? Tom came along with us to the concert. You're welcome to come along if you're free. Use this when inviting someone to join you or to say someone joined a group. Come back means to return to a place. She came back from vacation yesterday. When will you come back? He came back to visit his hometown. A simple, super common way to say someone returned. Come down with means to become ill. I think I'm coming down with a cold. A few coworkers came down with the flu last week. He came down with food poisoning after the trip. We use this when we start to feel sick or when someone gets ill. Now, come forward. This means to offer help or share information. Several witnesses came forward after the accident. Nobody came forward to claim the lost bag. A volunteer finally came forward to help organize the event. This phrasal verb is used when someone steps up to help or give information, often in formal situations. Come through means to succeed or help at an important moment. My friends really came through for me during the move. The team came through and finished the project on time. She always comes through in an emergency. Use this to describe someone doing what's needed, especially when it really matters. Finally, come to. This means to wake up or regain consciousness. He fainted but came to quickly. After the fall, she came to in the ambulance. The cyclist came to after being unconscious for a few minutes. This is used when someone wakes up after fainting or being unconscious. These come phrasal verbs are super useful in everyday English. Which one will you use first? Comment below. And remember, if this video helped, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson with Linguachat. Now, quick quiz. Which phrasal verb means to become ill? Type your answer in the comments. See you in the next one.